Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Okay. Okay, students. Now we will go to the another mechanism. Subplots, we can go for it. Subplot concept. Okay, na? Let us start the concept of what? Subplots. So I was about to start yesterday. So it was somehow I did not explain in the last class because time was up. And we'll go to that. Which concept it is? Subplots. Subplot concept. It is easy, not a difficult. Subplots in matplotlib. Okay, easy. Before that, I want to go for showing one example where I can go for. Normally, I will go for that and I will go for dividing into subplots. So let me put both the things. Who is this? Nandini, CMOD. That was the facility available in the new Jupyter notebook. I used to send the same files only. So something is saying last 2 days examples are not visible. So what can I do, my dear students? So I already posted. So if you are not able to find, I send that files directly to you. That files I was sent directly to you. So here, these files I sent directly to you. If I double click on it, it is just getting open. It is just getting open. These things I already said. Directly these things are opening. These are the things directly opening. And like earlier thing, it is not showing the PDF file to download. It's not showing like previous version of that. It is not available. So these things only I'm showing it. So MS Dhoni, not in mobile. Yes, not in mobile. Suppose if it is asking VS Code, to download VS Code, what is there? Go for working with VS Code. Working with VS Code. Go for VS Code here. Working with VS Code. So go for this place and it is showing here. Go to the official one and here it is available. Go to the downloads and it is coming like. So go to this place, download that VS Code. Are you following this? Download. It is opening perfectly. So go to cinema means it doesn't mean that Shark will come and put the ticket in the packet. Go to movie means you'll go to the movie and you will take ticket also, right? So download, students. What is there? You used to download lot of movies and everything. Students, you know everything except. Shall I move forward? Let us start. So here I'm going to say you try to download that and try to see that. Go to the further. Go to the place. New here. Then try to do it. Now I'm trying to generate two series of two plots in a single one. Two things in a single one. So let us go forward. Two plots. Two plots in single axis. Two plots in single axis. So from where it is, matplotlib, some matplotlib. So I'll go for what? Import what? PyPlot. PyPlot as PLT. As PLT. Take one more NumPy also, if required. Import what? NumPy as NP. So take that. Now I'll take some data that I already said to you. Once again, I am saying. So say some normal data. Say some normal data. NP dot array of, say take some data here. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my data. Take y is equal to what I am saying, x star star 2. X star 2. Let us take one more value. I will take it. Z is equal to what? X star star 3. Correct? Now I want to go for planting both of them. One is called what? Square, and one more is called what? Cube. So how do you go for it? Come on. PLT dot plot of x comma y, x comma y, comma. Come on. Yes, label is equal to squares. Squares. Yesterday's class only completed. Come on. What is this now? PLT dot plot of x comma z, x comma z. Label is equal to cubes. Cubes. Next, PLT dot PLT dot legend of. Legend of. Are you following that? If you want, color is equal to color is equal to what is this now? Red. And color is equal to blue. So I say here dark blue. Dark blue is there. We'll write something. If it is coming, we will write it. Okay, no problem. We'll change it to blue. What is the next? PLT dot what? Show. No? PLT dot. Okay. Okay, ma. I will do it. Label. Okay, students. Label. I will take it. Label. I will take it. So try to see this. So it is going to come this kind of thing. Dark blue is there. So we are getting legend and everything is coming correct. Now, this both of them are available in where? Same plot. Same plot. This is one thing. This is called something it is written. One I want to go for in one plot. In one plot, I want to go for what? Square. In another plot, I want to go for what? Cube I want to go for. If your requirement is to display two different plots in two different axes, we'll go for what? Plots. Let me take one more students. One more students. Let us go for plot for what is that? Sine of x. And next is what? Cos of x. Cos of x. Cos of x. Now there I am going to write it. Now sine of x and next is what? Cos of x. So one of my student, of course, I want to say because this context is coming. One of my student will show you after this. Shivananda. He was my Python student in 2 years back. That time we don't have this exclusive course for what? NumPy, pandas, etc. Now he asked morning, sir, I want exclusive training on pandas. I placed in data analytics and he wanted that. So yesterday he spoke to me and morning he sent that message. I'll show his photo also. And he's like, what you know? When he came to my class earlier, you are just like, you can't believe by seeing. He can't be able to speak English properly. But now he is in data analytics engineer. Only on Python. Some is a rarely selected student. English, just a zero. But he do the coding like anything. So I'll show his photo and his car also. You see how he is giving the pose in the movie. How that is his car and everything you will see. I've seen his DP and myself wondered when he was coming to the class how he was, when he is now how he is. I'll show you that. Let me come to that. Now go to the sine and cos. Start. X is equal to NP dot a range. A range of, I hope you know students, 0. Last class I was written math into 2 into math dot py. Pi, sorry. Some value into. So today I will do 3 I was written last class. Math dot what? Pi. Math is what? Module. What is the Pi? What is Pi and Pi? So 3.1417 like that. Like that. Sometimes it will go like no problem. So what is Pi? Don't tell pi. What is SNO? Student number. Don't tell like that. What is Pi? Data member. You know data member, right? Module dot. So today I'll take it. NP dot. NP is what? Module. Alias name. Dot PI is also called what? Data member. Global variable. Module name dot global variable. NP is called alias name into some 5 or some 6 or 7, whatever the formula you have. And I want to go for step is called what? 0.1. 0.1. Are you able to follow? Now, there I will write it. Y is equal to, y is equal to, my dear student, if you don't mind, can you just, y is equal to, what I'm going to take it, sine of what? NP dot, already you know students, NP dot sine of what? X. What is the sine function there? Mathematical trigonometric function present into NumPy module. And next is called what? Z is equal to what I'm saying, cos. Cos NP dot what, cos. NP dot cos of what? X. Cos of X. So cos series and then sine series graphs I want. So, coming to the point of it. Okay. Datu, are you okay, my dear student? Is it okay, student? Now I will go to, now I will go to plotting this. How you can plot it? As we said that this is the one. I will carry this now. I'll carry this part. Now I'll say this one. So here I'm going to say written now, written like this. And I will say what, label. What is this now? Sine, sine series, sine series. And next is what? Cos series. Cos series. I'm going to take it. Understand? Now I will say here PLT dot what I am writing, grid. Grid. Do you know grid? Do you know grid? What is grid? Grid is grid. It is a intersection of vertical and horizontal lines, which makes visualization much better. So grid will take what? 3 parameters: axis X, axis Y, axis both. Access both. You've seen last class all those things. So now see students, now I'm going to get it. Now I'm going to get it. The series called what, So here you see students, the the sine series which is in red in color starts from where? 0. And sine 90, it is reaching to what? Maximum. So now it is going to start with cos 0, cos 1 starts from that place. And sine series and cos series are working something like different. Are you able to follow? So my interest is to find out, to separate this type of plots. This type of plots I want to separate. So how do you separate it? Grid, you remove it. So it is going to be visible like this. So Abhidishinde, it looks like CRO screen. Okay. So good. So now I'm going to talk about, I want to separate these plots. Shall we go for the separate plots? So to separate it, we will go for which concept? Subplotting concept. So in subplotting concept, what I'm trying to take is, don't get confused. There is chance is there to get confused. This is my figure. What is that? Figure. How many subplots you want? For example, 2. 2. How 2 I want? Either this way I want, either this way I want, or this way you want. This is the first way, and this is the second way. Either this way you want, or this way you want. One by one unit, or one after the other unit, one on the top of another unit. So this indicates how many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 1 column. Here, how many rows? How many columns here? So for that simple idea, I will give you. What is that now? PLT dot. What is this now? Subplot of number of rows. Number of rows, I will write it. Always you write number of rows. How many are there? And next is called what? Number of columns. And you write index. And you write index. Now let us take that part. All of you try to get it. I'll take one paint students. Try to go to that. Of course, directly I can go to example, but just let us watch. This is my figure. This is a figure, correct? This figure need one type of thing like this. This is called one type of, come on, like this I want. How many rows are there? One row is there. This is called one row. How many columns are there? 2 columns. One row, 2 columns. So how do you plot this now? I am going to say PLT dot subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 1. What is that one? First subplot. That is called, this is called one row. This is called column 1. This is called column 2. It is the first subplot. This is the second subplot. Are you following? 1 comma 2. So when I write 1 comma 2 means definitely what? Two columns are there, one row is there. I am writing which plot value? First plot. So next I will close it. I'll close this part. Next I will go to one more way. I'm writing PLT dot what? Subplot of what? 1 comma 2 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 comma 2. So that subplots are completed. Are you following? Then what you will do, sir, here? What you will do here? I will say under this context, my PVM context is there at that place. PLT dot, what is this now? Plot of what I can say? X comma Y. You know where X values, Y values I can take. Where X values, Y values I can take. And next I will say what? PLT dot what I can say? Show. Similarly, I can write what values here. In the same manner, I will come to this area also. I will write what here, x1 and what I will write, y1 I will write, and there I will show. Now I want to set the title for which one? Subplot 1, I want to set the title for subplot 2. How do you set the title? Same to same. Here only I will go for what? PLT dot what? Title. Title of what? Subplot 1. Correct? Subplot 1. How do you set the x-axis? PLT dot what? X label of. X label of. You will write your label, whatever you want. Whatever you want. Next, PLT dot what? Y label of. Y label of. Y label of. So take care about that. I will write the subtables like this. Similarly, here also I can write what, in this place also I can write. What is this now? Subplot 2. Subplot 2. Later I will do what? Both of them labels you set. Labels you set. For total, I need to set one subtitle or not? For total, I need to set one title. For that, there is one more thing called what? Here I am writing. This is called a title. This is title for this subplot. This is a title for this subplot. Now I need to go for title for what? Total subplots. I will go for PLT dot SUP title. SUP title and come on. Super title. Super title. Super title means what? For all the subplots, super title. So in my class, for example, 10 students are there. 10 different type of graphs I am showing. So something like what? Mohan Priya graph and then Lakshmi graph. Next is called Nagalakshmi graph, like Anusha graph. Like that, I am showing all the graphs. And I will say what on the top of it, girls performance graph, I will say. Are you able to follow? So that type of things, if super title of what? What is this now? Something like super title name, I will write it. So here, what are the functions available? What are the functions? Subplot of X title, Y title, and then super title. So title, X label, Y label, all these things, newly we are learning what? Super title. So last and final, to make you to get it, one more I want to say. Let us follow. My requirement today is, now I am asking you, this is called my figure. This is called my figure. I need this type of figure. I need this type of figure. So I want to ask you to locate this type of data. So if you don't say, there is no meaning now. So I want to write it. This many plots I want. Can you say now? Yes. Be careful. Don't be hurry to say. This one I want to locate. How many rows first of all? How many columns? How many plots? 6 plot. What is the first column index? First plot index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. PLT dot subplot of 2, comma 3, comma 1. 2, comma 3, comma 1. Okay. Are you confident? Students in the online? Done. Next is called what more? 2 comma 3 comma 2. 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 2. Next is what? 3. 3. Like that I can go on writing it. Now you got it, I think so. Got it up? What is this is called? Come on. 4. Next I will go for writing like this. It is called what? 5. 5. You can set your own title for them. This is called what 6. So 6 is written. And for all of them, I will write one super title. Able to follow? So let us go to the subplots concept. Shall we go to the example? So go to the place. Here already it is there. So now I will go to the place. Subplots I want to draw. For this subplots I want to take out. Let us go to the same place. Now I am going to plan it out. So drawing what? Dealing with what? Subplots. Dealing with subplots. Start with. How many things are there with me? 2. One is square things and one more is. So for that I will go for. Tell me now only tell me. Go for what? Take subplot 1. I forget. PLT dot subplot of 1 comma 2. You want to side by or one after the other? Side by. Side by if you want. 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay. Draw. Come on. PLT dot plot of x comma y. X comma y. So what is that now? Color is equal to red. Color is equal to red. No need to go for legend because it's only one now. Only one. Next what? PLT dot PLT. Okay, let it be. This you draw. Take what? Take plot 1. Subplot 1. Next is called what? Take subplot 2. Take subplot 2. Next tell me. Take subplot 2. PLT dot. Look at that subplot 2. 2 I will write it. Next what here? X comma Z. X comma Z of what? Something like. So something like dark blue. Dark blue. Dark blue. So I used to take up that. And what is this now? You try to say. What is this now? PLT dot what? Show. Show off. So you try to see students. You are getting what? 2 subplots are coming. Are you able to follow? And I already said how to set your own ticks. I already said how to set your own ticks also. Try to apply. Understand students? This is 2 things are there. This is called what? Square. And this is called what? Cube. If you want, you can write what? Legend also, you can write it. No issue about it. Now, let us go to the next. This part also, I will go for these things. How you can go for it? One by one, you see. One after the other, you want to see. Dealing with what? Subplots. Subplots. Subplotting for sin x and what? Cos x. So go to the same place. Tell me. PLT dot subplot of 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1. 2 comma 1 comma 1. So go to this place. Color is equal to something like this. Color is equal to something like this. Done. And PLT dot what? Color is equal to red. And this is one subplot is over. And PLT dot something like X label. X label of what here? X axis. X axis. I'm writing. PLT dot. What is this now? Something like Y label. Y label of what here? Y axis. Y axis. I said PLT dot title. PLT dot title. What series? Sine series. Sine series. Yesterday's class I used the font dict also, right? You can apply that font dict concept very perfectly. This is about which plot? Plot 1. Right or not? Select plot 1. Select plot 1. Next is called what? Plot 2. Plot 2 I will carry as it is. Plot 2 I will carry as it is. Here I will write it. Here I am writing plot 2. So what is the plot 2 here? 2 comma 1 comma 2. So something like I will write dark blue, dark blue. And next is called what? X-axis, Y-axis, X comma, what is this? Z. X comma what? Z. Z here. Now X-axis, Y-axis, and what is this? Cosine series. Cosine series. Cos means cosine series. And next is called what, of course, plot. This you try to remove or not? Already you have done it, remove. On this also you try to remove. Title also done. And PLT dot show. Before that show, now I want to go for giving you what? Super title. Super title also you give. What is this now? PLT dot SUP title of what? Sine and cos. Sine and cos series. Sine and cos series. So try to run this. Hmm? So 2 comma 1 comma x comma y comma x comma y comma dark blue. Okay, very good knowledge is there. So here I am having, this is called what? Sine and cos series. This is entire thing sine and cos series. And one subplot is what? Sine series. And x-axis and y-axis is going to be there. Are you able to follow? And this is what? X series and y series and everything is coming. I think you are following me. So how to go for subplots? You take your own arranging of values. You take your range of values. And what is this is called what? This I wrote 5. Actually, sine series is there. X cube, x minus x cube by some 3 factorial minus x to the power of 5. Like that 5 terms I want to take. 5 terms. You are not remembering anything. You are seeing only sound, I know. X series will be there. Sine series will be there. Cos series will be there. But I am taking 5 terms. So now, students, the main purpose is what, how to go for what? Subplots here. And you are understanding about what? The separate things are there. And I draw this one. So I'll show you that simple documentation for you students. Subplotting concept I want to show you. Of course, that you already done. Just one small notes purpose I just shown you. Try to read out. Display multiple plots. We use subplot function where we can draw multiple plots in one figure. The subplot function takes 3 arguments and that describes the layout of the figure. PLT dot subplot, number of rows, number of columns, index of the plot. Next, draw 2 plots. 2 plots we want to draw. So as you know, this one is that plot 1 x values and then y values, as I said, 1 comma 2 comma 1. You can imagine 1 row, 2 columns, first plot. Draw for these values. Plot 2, what is this now? Same x value, y value different. 1 comma 2 comma 2. That is nothing but what? Plot. PLT dot show. Simple for you. In plot dot subplot 1 comma 2 comma 1. This figure has 1 row, 2 columns, and this plot is the first plot. First plot means number 1. This one. PLT dot subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 2. This figure has 1 row, 2 columns, and this plot is the second plot. Second plot is nothing but 2. Getting? So next I want to say, so if we want to a figure with 2 rows in 1 column, there is nothing but 1 by 1 on the top of another. Meaning 2 plots will be displayed on the top of each other instead of side by side. And already you know. So 2 plots on top of each other. So plot 1, same data. 2 comma 1 comma 1, you have drawn also. Example also you have seen. 2 comma 1 comma 2, done. You can just draw as many plots as you like in one figure. Just describe the number of rows and columns and then index of the plot. 6 plots. You have seen already your example. 2 comma 3 indicates what? 2 into 3, 6 plots. Index number starts from 1 to 6. 2 comma 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. This is called one plot. 2 comma 3 comma 2. This is 1 and 2 plotting. 2 comma 3 to 3 comma 3. Third plot, done. And next is called what? 2, 3, 4, done. 5 also plotting. 6 also plotting, completed. How do you set the title? Just now I said SUP title. You can add the title to each plot with a title function. Example, 2 plots with what? Titles. Now coming to matplotlib.plt as this one. And subplot, plot, title, sales. And next is what? Plot is called what? Income. And this is a sales kind of thing. This is called income kind of things. So just I want to go for keeping these values also over there. So try to carry this now. Coming to this place, here I'm going to take up. In this place, I'm trying to take up. Try to execute students. So you are going to get what sales here as well as what income here. Are you able to follow, students? So like this, one can go for giving this type of thing. If you want, some student is asking, Shinde, you are asking that space in this. You just write some space, print function you write. It will come to next line or not. Shinde, my dear student. So if you write print, it will come to next line or not. Shinde. Now coming to the place. These are called what? Subplots. How to draw. Are you following? So majority of the times you will get these plotting properties. So marker properties, line properties, and all those things done. Now I am entering into the types of plots. How many types of plots? 5. Number 1, line plot, bar plot, scatter plotter. Next, pie chart, bar plot. I will tell you. Line plot. Next, bar plot, scatter plot. Next is called what? Histogram. Pie plot. For plotting this thing, we use the function name called plot. Plot of. That you have seen from number of days onwards. And this is called what? Bar. There are two things are there. Bar of, and next is called what? Bar H. Bar H of. Next is called what? Scatter plot. This is called what? Scatter. Scatter off. When the over is over, when some bowler is bowling, when dot balls are there. So is 6 balls, where the dots, and wicket taking ball view will be given or not. It is called a scatter plot example. Or when if you bowled for 10 overs, in the 10 overs, wicket keeping symbols will be there or not. That are all as an example of what? Scatter plotter graph. Okay, histogram. I'll show you that. Hist function name is called what? Hist. Next is called what? Pi. There is a function name called pi. If I complete this graphs one by one, our matplotlib will complete. These things I will apply with what? Data frame, series. I will apply the data. First normal data, next series data, next with what? Data frame data, we can go for it. These kind of functions not only present in matplotlib, they are already visible, they are already available in where? In pandas also it is available. For example, pandas you take it. Pandas dot, what you are saying, input pandas. S is equal to what? PD dot series of, you are taking series of values or not? Now, S dot PL, S dot plot dot what? Line. Plot dot line. You will pass this series and it is going to take, first values will be taken as what? X-axis, and the second value will be taken as what? Y-axis. That index will be taken as what? X-axis and Y-axis. I'll show you that examples, don't worry. Even if you go for a data frame also, df dot, plot dot, line, there also visualization is there in pandas. Are you following? Let us start about the concept of types of plots. Before the types of plots, I just want a small thing called what? General steps for drawing the plots. General steps for drawing the plots. Just for a minute, I want to go for showing you like this. Here I'm going to say, just try to understand. Try to read out once. Basic components of group. This is already done. Figure, axis, artist, titles, legends also, how to create a graphs using matplotlib. So far we have seen different properties. Now I'm going to say steps. Start the first step. Install. Install. What is that module? Matplotlib. You have already done. We used also in the class. Next. Import what next? Module. Which module we imported? Two things. Import matplotlib dot what? Pyplot. Or what? Import matplotlib dot as what? MPP. That is another word. Matplotlib MPP. As what? PLT. As PLT. You know this now? Come on, guys. You can also write like this, or you can also write from where? Matplotlib import pyplot as PLT, as PLT. That after that is completed, first you are installing, you are importing. Next, what? Choose the desired plot type. How many plot types are there? Multiple plots are there. Multiple plots are there. Graph type, line plot, all the plots I said. Give proper labels to axis. X-axis labels, you know how to give it. Y-axis labels, how to know how to give it. By using what? X label you can give it by using AX is equal to PLT dot axis, AX dot set X ticks, AX dot set Y ticks. X label ticks I said, Y label ticks also I said. You know how to do it. Add the data points. Add the data points means what? X-axis points and Y-axis points. Add the next point to the data point. Data points depict in the picture and depict the point on the plot at a particular place. I mean, as you are aware of it, in earlier days, X values are given, X values are given, and Y values are given, and plot a graph. And how do you do? This is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the values are given for what? X values are given. And Y is equal to something like what? Mx plus C is given. For example, M value they will give some constant values also you will give. And this X values you will substitute in this. M value you are giving. C values also they are giving. And you will get the Y value or not. That are nothing but X versus Y you will write it. X versus Y you will write it. That is X versus Y. Are you getting some type of points or not? You are getting some sort of points. These points connectivity is known as what? Visualization of our data. By visualization of the data, people can understand by seeing that good decision will be made. Are you following me? So for that, add the data points in the form of X and Y. Next, add more functionality like colors and sizes. And which color you like it, you take it. You are artist in creating your own colors, properties for marker colors, line colors, and title properties, everything you can do. So Matplotlib provides which type of things? Line plot, all these things. If I complete these things, course is completed. Now I'm going for what? Line plot. It is very easy for me to draw the plot. Take an example. Sales versus weeks. Sales versus weeks. Sales, sales. Suppose you want to buy the laptop. You want to buy the laptop. You are asking your parents. Today is what? Friday. And your parents don't want to Students in the online, yeah. Now I forget to unmute. Now it is coming on online students. So now I hope so. You are entering, we are entering into which graph? Line graph. So what is the function name? Plot. Already you know how that graph is done. Done. So now we are entering into the line graph. What is the function name? Plot. Draw a graph and they will give you the data for you. The data will come in two ways. One is in the form of CSV file. One more is in the form of what? List. List in list they will come. So now I am going to write it. What weeks is equal to. Now I say Monday. Now I said you know Tuesday. Next called Wednesday, and next is called Thursday, and next is called Friday. Now I'll take it as what sales. So sales Monday 200 things or 20 units, 20 units made, and this is called just a 10 units. Thursday is called something like 18, and next is called some Friday is called some 9, and next is called Saturday is called some almost 20, and next is called Sunday 15 is gone. These are called, so this data, some people will go for converting into what end array, or some people directly will pass it. How do you pass it now? PLT dot plot of what is this now? Weeks comma what? Sales. Weeks comma sales, they will make it. And the next is called what? PLT dot what show. PLT dot show. So that data will be shown to you. Are you able to follow? This is comes under which kind of property? Line graph. Line graph. Now weekdays related temperatures. Weekdays related temperature. In first week, in a month, in first week, how the temperatures recorded. In second week, how the temperatures are recorded. I will show 4 different subplots on which week the temperature is high. I just want to go for it. Are you able to follow? In CSV file, how do you take it? This you take it as what? Comma separated values as header. Below to that, you just made it as what? Values. So just one entry, you can also create a data frame and you can do it. Are you able to follow? So let us have the line graph kind of property, which is very, very simple, not a difficult for you. So let me go to one small concept here available for me. So there is a line graph is available. Try to understand some problem. For you, just one small problem. Look at that. The table. These are the two examples what my student faced once, the last year and the last before year. The two questions what I got it. I just preserved it and I'm saying, read out. The table below shows the information on how much sleep Rahul got each night for a week. Draw a line graph based on the given information. What is this now? Day. Days are like this. This is called what? List or ND array. Sleep is called what? One more list or ND array. Now I am going to go for drawing the things. Next, one more. Easy, dead easy. Nothing is there. The table represents Akshay's weight in kilograms for 5 months. And draw the line graph for information provided in the month. So you are maintaining, you want to go for weight reduction process you are go through. So in January month 48, Akshay is very lean person. He want to become little fat. Because reading Python, he becomes very weak. And he want after getting the job become something like this. He started eating something. January month, February month, March month, April month, and May all of a sudden work from home becomes a heavy weight. This is a graph I need to show. How do you write it this entire thing in the form of line graph? It's a big task. Huh? It is only 2 minutes or 3 minutes you will complete it. Shall I do it? Let's go to this place. Now I'll go to the implementation of line graph. So go to the notebook. So there I will write it. Come on, what is this implementation? Line graph. Line graph examples. Line graph examples. Start. Come on. Import matplotlib dot pyplot pyplot as plt. Okay. Go for what now? Take your problem. Day. Day is equal to. Go for what? Day is equal to. Write all the days. Write all the days. Now I'm writing. What is this now? Monday. So shortcuts I will write it. MON, TUE, TUE. Next is what? WED. Next is called what? Thursday. Next is called what? Friday. Next is called what? SAT. Next is SUN. SUN. Next is called what now? Sleep. Sleep is also called one list. So there I will write it. Take that values, whatever you have. 765, 765, 7 comma 6 comma 5. What is the next? 8995. 8995. 99 what? 5. So these are the data. How do you draw now? PLT dot plot of day comma sleep. Day comma sleep. So day comma sleep. Come on now. Day comma sleep. Now I will say PLT dot what? Show. PLT dot show. So you are going to get it. You are going to get the graph. So Monday you was sleeping well. Wednesday some 10 able to sleep. Again he went to good sleeping and next to peak level sleeping. Like this it is coming. Are you able to follow this? This is about the sleeping kind of process. If you want, you can go for what students. You can set your own titles, right or not? Go for doing some operations on it. Go for using property students. And this is what we have seen from the beginning onwards. Go for what? Come on, what are all the things you know? Tell me now first. Marker is equal to D. Small d or capital D? What is the D? Diamond. Next, MFC is equal to what? Huh? Don't remember, right? Or. Next, MEC. MEC what? Blue. MEC. Okay. MEC. MFC. MEC is equal to what? Blue. Blue. Come on, next. MS is equal to some 10. 10. Next, color is equal to what? Green. Green. So green. What is this color is called? What is this color is called? Line color. Line color. And try to see this now. What is happening? Are you following this? This line color and etc. is coming. Are you able to follow? By seeing these colors, don't feel happy. Whether you are able to write this code or not, you see. What is there in color, students? I hope I'm feeling by seeing these graphs colors, you are feeling happy. Don't, that is simple. You just instruct it. First, you worry about this. Are you happy with this? No. By seeing color, if you try to believe, you're very bad luck. So you have to see the content. Are you following? Good. Go to the same thing with what I want with another type of thing. How to specify all the parameters and everything, students. Now I'm going to take the same thing in the form of what? In the form of what? Data frames you take it. Data frame I'm going to take up. Same data, go for data frame. Shall I? Go. Data frame I want to go for it. How do you go for it? New, normal text. Try to write it. Here I'm eliminating. Here I'm eliminating. All values are what? Comma separated values. Go to this place. Now I'm writing here like this. Now I'm writing end of this. Because such a small data, so this is going to be something like what 765 etc. is coming like this. Are you able to understand? Let us save. Let us save. Go to the place in matplotlib under line graph. I am saying that who is this person called? Rahul.sleep. RAHUL dot what? CSV. Double quotes I will do. Good students. Good students. Dot CSV. Then done. Go to the place. In this place, you see students. In this place, Rahul.csv. What is this now? Excel.csv. Try to open it. Excel sheet. Just once I want to see. This is available like this. Are you able to follow? Now I want to read the data. How do you read the data? Go to the place. It's nothing but I have Windows 11 OS now. That's why. Certified things. Let us go to the place of our case. Let us go to, tell me students, by using draw the line graph, draw the line graph by using data frame. By using data frame. How do you write it? Import pandas already paper. So that path, that entire path, that entire path, Rahul.csv is available in that path or not? That's good. So go to the place, say this entire thing, say this entire thing, and say this now. What is this now? Rahul dot CSV. Rahul dot. Now print of what here, you know, DF. You say DF. So I got the data. Here I am having something like this. Are you following? This is called what? Zero. What is this is called? Come on. Columns. 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 What is this is called? Come on. Yes. Now I can take it. Df dot index. Df. This is called our conversion or not? This is, we never bother about this index at all. So now I'm going to take about how do you go for drawing this. Now, how do you draw now? I need Tuesday, Wednesday, this type of things are coming. And this type of library, we will do it after this matplotlib is there. In the pandas, some visualization tools are there, but I did not. I will tell you that process. So finally, I'm trying to take it. Get what values I want? What values I want? Columns I want to get it. Next I want to get it what? Indexes I want to get it. How do I get this data? Df dot what? Yes, columns. Df dot what? Columns. Df dot columns of where I'm saving now. COLs I'm going to take it. COLs I will take it. And print the COLs. Print of what? CLS. Yes. COLS. COLS and COLS. Right. Now you are getting the columns that is unavailable. Next, I want to get it what? This data I want to get it. How do you get this data? df dot index. Df dot index. It is going to give you like that. This data I want. This data I want. df of what? 0. So you are going to get it. df of 0. What is coming? df dot loc of 0. df of loc of 0 dot loc of 0. So you are going to get it this kind of data. This kind of data. Are you following this? So we are going to get it. This complete, this data is coming, which is of which type I want to print for a minute. See students, try to work out. It is not a recorded or something. We have to apply through our intelligence. So it is going to be called what? Series. Now try to go for this entire data, go for this entire data and try to pass it. How do you write it now? PLT dot, what is this now? Plot of what? DF dot, DF dot what? LOC of, LOC of what? 0. LOC of 0. Now I'm going to get the same. Are you able to follow? Here the special point is plot will take two things. One is what? X series as well as Y series. But here it is going to take what? In the series, there are two things are there. Just now I printed that. When I print LOC of 0, LOC dot LOC, Monday, Tuesday index and plus what values also you got it. That are going to be taken like this. Is it like previous or not? Able to get it? So this is a simple mechanism of how to get the data. Are able to follow? Now the data frame level, when you come to this data frame level, this is a normal thing. Data frame level is containing what? Only one value is there. Only one thing like this is there. What I'm going to do now? Here I'm going to take it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is only one column is available. In the data frame, how do you get it? Data frame, if you print it, as you print this DF, when you printed this kind of thing, it is just printing everything is one only. So in order to get two values case, what should I do? I want index case I want plus what? Data case I want. Which is a better approach? A simple column, a simple value in the data frame is called one series. You try to see in a vertical format. This is showing in the horizontal format. When I was getting into which type? DF dot which type? LOC of what? 0. LOC of 0. What I got it? This we find out. This is called one axis. This is called one more axis. I find its a type. Which type it is? Series type. Suppose if I go for one more kind of value, that is called Rahul data. One more percent data, one more percent data. If I go, what will happen that time? Multiple series will come or not. So this is called one series, and another series will be coming. Another series will be coming. I hope you are following me. So here, if I go to my place, I will write it. One more thing I am writing, some 6, some 9, and some 10, and I will write something like, something like 8, something I will write, 3, and I will say what? 8. Are you able to follow? So try to see one more. Okay, one more I will write it. Say some 5. These are the values we have. Try to read out, try to read out and go to this place and observe this. Try to get this data from this place. Where is the CSV file data reading. Go to this place and get this data. So here I'm going to take up, get this data. I'm getting like this. Now I want to get it to what? I want to go for this data. I want to take it. I want to take this. How, how many students, online students? Now I came back. So now, see students, sometimes because of the power problem or voice internet problem, I cannot do anything else. Hmm? Who is this? Saurav. Too much problem. I cannot do anything else for that because I cannot stop electricity, I cannot stop internet, and I cannot do anything else. Is it okay, students? Is it okay, students? Okay. Now let us move. Here, suppose if voice problem is coming, I'm repeating again and again, and these things are not any new things for you. Already known things only. Come to the point back, reading the data. Now this is the data we got it. Get the data separately. LOC of 1 second, I got it. This is one series. This is called one more series. Now I want to draw the diagram. Getting my point? Once again, students, online students, get the point back. Here I am writing, get this data. Now I'm going to get it what? Two plots I want to write it. Rahul's sleep, and then next what? Rajesh sleep I want to. There are multiple people are there. How do you write it? PLT dot plot of subplots. If you want, you can go for subplots. If you want to write in single plot also, you can write it. It is your own choice. Plot of what I will do? Come on. DF of 0, DF dot LOC of 0. LOC of 0. Now I can write it. What is this now? Color is equal to what? Red. Color is equal to red. Next I will write it. PLT dot plot of DF dot LOC of 1. What is this now? Color is equal to what? Something like green. Like this. So try to see this now. We are getting this multiple. I think you are following this. These are the different peoples. If you want, you can go to, if you want, you can go to the same thing. I can like this. So coming to the point of it, go to this place. Say what now? Label is equal to, label is equal to Rahul sleep. I'm going to take it. Next, I'm going to take it here now. Label is equal to Rakesh. Rakesh sleep. So I'm just going to take it. So you take like this. Now you can take up legend concept also. You can use it. Now what is this now? PLT dot legend. Legend of you can use it. So you are going to get it. The place. What is this red thing? Green things that will be shown. If you want, you can go for what also? Subplots also you can take it. Are you following? Suppose, for example, Monday, I am having lot of peoples. All our students' data is available, for example. All our students' data. 400 students are there here. All 400, how the people will sleep on Monday. How I will get the Monday data? I want to see the Monday sleeping trend. I want to see. Monday sleeping trend I want to see. I will go for what? DF of MON or DF dot LOC of Monday. I will get monthly with what? Different type of values will come. On Monday trend, how it will be sleeping, you will get it. Are you getting? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, you are going to get it. I want to go for on and average each week sleep. Group by I will apply. Group by of what? Monday. All the values of Monday group by. Dot what I will do? Mean. So that what will come? Yes. So these are all these things I will go for it, and I will go for what? Drawing the plot. Monday average sleep, Tuesday average sleep, like that average of what? All the weeks you will get it. One can go forward taking, if you search in the internet, line graphs or any graph is there, they'll take just to take the case studies like this kind of thing, problem statement like this, what I just now shown. These problems you take it and try to draw. So students, Sagar Srivastav, my dear student, some days voice is full breaking. Breaking. Okay. Okay, students, I stopped the class. Why? Yeah. Anusha is asking why, sir. They are only saying and they want to do students. Due to Swati is saying why, sir. Breaking, not understanding what to do. So it's really hurts when no voice from you. Okay. Saurav, my dear student. So Saurav is listening from his childhood onwards, my voice only. That's why. Okay, Aru, please give homework. In the voice will give homework, na, they will say a lot of things. Students, now is it okay? Now, is my voice is okay? Hmm? So today somebody came, students. Some leg came, iron leg came, I think. All girls are okay. No, they are coming. Boys, somebody may be coming. Tirumalis will come daily. Okay. Boys also good. Then who came something? Maybe online somebody may be coming. Okay, online guys also good. Okay, students, no problem. So they are also. Hmm? Srikanta, continue. Anup, Arup, shall I start? Why this is today is breaking? I don't know, students. Because lot of, I mean, sir, my friend Haribabu came here today. Okay, okay. Now also cracking. Funny can't. Now fine. Voice breaking. Can't able to listen. Just వాళ్ళు పిలిచాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నా డాక్టర్లు అంతా బయట కూర్చుని బాబు పల్లకండి బాబు వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుందండి పిలిచి అడ్మిన్స్ పిలిచి కొద్దిగా so old student because I'm showing that only I'm taking my mobile and saying that yeah now Shivananda you see Shivananda and you see when he came to my class na I used to he is my favorite student voice break అవుతుంది ఈరోజు complete గా so you can see his message also if you want anybody can read what is there read that message only okay and nothing is there and I'm very break అవుతుంది okay now students is it okay Suraj is asking so us sir we can't see Suraj offline students I shown just now so when offline students are seeing that means it's no problem I think so is it clear now is it clear now Kumar is saying not catched your subject today okay still not clear internet is unstable students today is unstable breaking shall I stop my class shall I stop my class right students I'll stop my class because voice is breaking so can I stop my class Okay, done. Take care, students. All the best. Tomorrow I will explain this. Tomorrow I will explain two graphs. Line graph, plus I will go for what? Bar graph also I will explain. Take care. All the best. Online students, is my voice is clear? Dhoni, now you can ask your doubt, mom. You can ask your doubt.
Good morning, sir. Hello? Hello?
Yes, mom, morning, tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
e-litmus
Tell
exam
me,
ఎప్పుడు
tell
ఉంటుంది
me,
సార్?
I am speaking.
e-litmus exam ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది సార్? ఎప్పుడు కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు?
Ah,
e-litmus exam
అది
ఎప్పుడు కండక్ట్
అంత ఐడియా లేదు మనకు చూడాలి ఒకసారి నేను అదే నేను చూస్తాను ఒకసారి నాకు ఐడియా లేదు అది ఎప్పుడు డేట్స్ ఉంటాయో నేను చూస్తాను ఒకసారి
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా కశ్యప్ కశ్యప్
Hello, good morning, sir. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
టెల్ మీ మా కెన్ యూ
Yeah,
స్పీక్ లిటిల్ మోర్ క్లియర్
yeah. Hello.
యా
Sir,
లిటిల్ బిగ్గర్ యూ స్పీక్ మా
yes.
బికాజ్
Sir, can I share my
audio problem
screen?
is there today.
Hello. Hello.
Screen sharing is not possible. Tell your doubt. Tell your doubt. Kashyap.
Sir, I'm speaking. I'm not audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir,
Tell your doubt.
yeah, sir, I have one doubt. Can I share my screen?
Sharing the screen is not possible. Tell your doubt.
Yeah, sir, actually, yesterday I was creating one diagram, but it is creating two diagram.
Huh?
Same, yes. Hello.
It is creating
Two diagram, two.
two diagrams.
Yes, sir.
There depends on our code, that diagram will come.
No, sir, I'm giving only 2 points, like one name is x-axis and second is y-axis, right? But it is creating two diagram for another. X is another, y for another.
Can you post your code in the chat box? Can you post your code in the chat box?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Post it.
Sure. Um, So here what happened, one diagram is created with line and second diagram is creating with grid line.
This is your code.
Yes,
Right.
yes, sir.
This is your things. So
Okay.
here
Yes, this.
I have it X, Y, and then written like this: player's name and players, and then access you have written it. So it is going to take.
Yes, sir. It's like that only. It is creating two. Another I am trying, sir, but everyone is fine, but it is creating only the two diagram.
X, comma, Y label is equal to total players. Okay. And it is match report. I think you have given legend is equal to LOC. Okay. Dot show. And you have to write this dot show in this place. In this place, you have to write it.
Okay.
Now it is showing. Okay. Dot show you have to write in the last. You have written in the middle of.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Solved
But
it.
in another question, I also write like this only. Hello.
Tell me more. Tell me.
So every time we have to write at last.
Last only we have to write. Show means after the finishing of my entire logic, you have to write in the last show only, not in the middle. So many places I written show in the last only, not in the middle.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, now? Is it okay?
Yes, sir, got it. Thank you, sir.
Next, Hindusha.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, few days back, there was a case study, which is a Google Play Store case study, sir. So, could you please show how to extract the data set? That Excel sheet. Data set, sir. That Excel sheet. How to extract, how to get that data set?
I already posted now. The data sets will be coming in the internet. You search for Google Play Store. There is one website called Coggle. That place only these data sets will be available.
Google. Okay. Sir,
From
can
that
you?
place only the data sets will be available.
Okay, sir. I will try to get that. COOGLE. Google. Sir, could you repeat, sir? That website.
KAGGLE.
Okay.
KAGGLE.
Got it, sir.
మనకు
Good morning, sir.
మార్నింగ్
Sir, today early morning, phone మీకు మెయిల్ చేశాను సార్, అది కొంచెం చూసి చెప్తారా
నేను
సార్?
చూస్తామా, నేను ఒక్క కోడ్ కాదు కదా, నాకు ఎన్నో బ్యాచ్లు ఉంటాయి కదా, చూస్తానని చెప్పిన కదా ఆల్రెడీ నీకు
అదే సార్, అదే సార్.
చెప్పిన కదా
ఓకే సార్,
చెప్పిన కదా
చెప్పారు సార్, జస్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు సార్ మళ్ళాను. సార్
ఆల్రెడీ నేను మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను. నేను ఒక బ్యాచ్ కాదు కదా, నాకు 5 బ్యాచ్లు ఉంటాయి, అన్ని చూసుకోవాలి కదా.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీ మోర్ డౌట్ స్టూడెంట్స్? Okay, students. So due to some small problem in the internet today, the class was finished early, and don't take next further class. I will go for continuation part of it. Take care, students. All the best.